For additional accessories for this machine, and there are tons, let me tell you something. With this machine, these feet are actually FOF sewing machine feet. So if you head over to your local FOF store, you can pick up feet that fit the Singer Featherweight C240 because they have a similar machine that actually is with this awesome integrated even feed system like that you have on this machine, and these feet are the same numbers that the FOF users use. So I would recommend heading over to your local FOF store and check out all the other accessories. There's going to be hemmer feet, there's feet that sew on buttons, there's, oh my gosh, there's rufflers, there's a ton of other accessories. Check them out and you'll definitely have lots of options to add to this machine.